Hello, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna do Simplex fire alarm system testing. Now, I played this game before, but this is updated at 6/21/2025, and it was created 8/30/2024. So, we're gonna get started right now. Okay, let's get it reset. Let's get it loaded. Okay, so, hey, who put the fire alarm? Come on. Time to pull the fire alarm. I wonder what's taking it so long. Alright, there we go. Oh my gosh. This fire alarm is activated.
May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please? There has been a fire emergency report.
Time to reset the system.
While this is being done, please leave the building by the nearest exit or exit stairs. Do not use the elevators.
Sorry about it. I just didn't want it to hurt my ears. Well, thank you all for watching. Please subscribe and like this video and share this video, and don't forget to comment. See you soon.